Hey guys, I'm going to try to make this short and sweet for you. I will be posting another video to just reiterate what I will be teaching you today. And today we're going to be talking about meiosis. This should not be confused with mitosis. They're two different processes. They're related, but they are different, and we're going to talk about that. So meiosis is the process in which the number of chromosomes is cut in half. In mitosis, the number of chromosomes is not cut in half. It's just identical. You have the same number of chromosomes. Here, they're actually cut in half. And they pretty much make diploid cells turn into haploid cells. So diploid cells are cells that have two sets of chromosomes, and haploid cells only have one set of chromosomes. So they literally split in half. There are two different phases to meiosis. So this is meiosis 1, and it is similar to mitosis in that homologous chromosomes pair up to form a tetrad. So tetra meaning 4. So here we have the tetrad here. As you could see, a crossover, something, when you think of a crossover, you think of two things kind of coming together and merging. So here we have a crossover. You could see this orange chromosome and this red chromosome are coming together paired, and you could see the crossing over here where the orange part of the chromosome is now attached to the red and vice versa. Meiosis 2 is when is the second part, of meiosis, and chromosomes do not replicate before this stage, so they are not replicating in meiosis 1. Just like mitosis, chromosomes split, but they are now in the form of 4 gametes, or 4 sex cells. Now you're going to see in this next diagram more of a visual representation. It's only so much for me to explain it. You have to actually see it. So here we have meiosis happening, the chromosomes from the parents, and they come together and they replicate here. You could see we have one little blue one, now we have two, one little red one, now we have two, and so on and so forth. They are copied. They pair up. So the larger ones stick with the larger ones and the smaller ones stick with the smaller ones. And here you could actually see the crossover, which we talked about before. The chromosomes have crossed over. Now here is where the split occurs, or the halving occurs. The nucleus divides into two daughters. So we have one daughter here and one daughter here, and then they split again, and they only have half of what they started with. So here we have 4 chromosome pairs, now we have 2 and 2, and now we have, I wish this thing wasn't here, now we have a little piece of the chromosomes in each gamete. These are the 4 gametes that are produced from one single cell. So you're taking one cell and you're making 4 new ones. All right, so I'm going to be posting more material on this if this wasn't sufficient for you. I'm also going to be posting pictures of the book because you guys are going to be doing a couple questions from the book today. Okay, so if anyone has any questions, please let me know. I'm available on email, obviously. If you guys want to video chat for virtual office hours, that's totally fine too. Let me know, and I hope you guys have a good day.